mainly for you. You should understand there is so much pressure on the children today. See, by now, as we are entering the month of June, normally they should be busy with restarting their schools and colleges. You must be busy in looking for money and going in for purchases of books and other support things. But due to the current situation, the corona situation, the children are all staying at home. They are having a lot of pressure, stress is building into them because they are not going to the school. They are not going to go to school at least for the next 2 months minimum. It may be September, mid-September or even October, they will be starting the school, hopefully. So they are missing their friends, they are missing their teachers. They have lot of time at home and they are also experiencing a new phenomenon. That is, the parents are also staying with them. Normally the parents go to work, the children go to school, college. So mostly they meet only in the evenings. But these days, all the 24 hours, you parents are staying with them. That also creates a pressure on them. There is one pressure that they are not meeting their friends. They are missing their school. There is another pressure, the parents are there staying 24 hours. Okay, what's happening now? Are they spending the time the way they should spend? Okay, most of them, the adolescent kids, they spend time on their mobile phones. Okay, today there is a big danger. This mobile phone, if properly used, it enhances knowledge. There are a lot of good information. But there is also a pitfall. There are many games that are coming into play. Children are wanting to play those games more than going into websites for learning. So there's a big danger, lurking danger in that. Recently, there are a lot of games are there. To mention one, that PUBG game, even recently there was a death of a student, maybe 15, 16-year-old. This causes a lot of pressure for them and they keep on playing. And especially when a lot of time is there, you see, the idle mind is the workshop of the devil. Parents, beware of this situation. Be aware of this situation. You must have a supervision on them, what they are doing, how they are using the mobile phones. And if they are playing games, there is another danger today. Many guys, they know that the adolescent kids are using the phone, mobile phone for playing games. In between, as advertisements, they bring in lot of indecent things inside. Suppose your kid happens to see that, it's again a big downfall. They will go into a wrong route. Today, many things are happening in India mainly, and the parents are also having a lot of anxiety. So you should always see that the children are properly using and they are not playing games on the mobile phone, which is causing a grave danger. So their personality is at stake. They may get corrupted, and what they see, they would also like to experiment. You see, this is the tendency of the adolescent kids. So kindly see that it is your duty, because you are interested in upbringing your children in the right path so that they shine in their life, they earn well in their life, and they are very happy in their life also, and you also become happy. You are spending a lot of money on them today for their education. But ensure, the very important thing, that they are not playing for a very long time. And this danger, I am cautioning you again, there is a big danger. You should ensure that the children don't fall a prey to these dirty guys. So I thought this is time you understand this serious problem and ensure that your children are using the mobile phone under your supervision and guidance. so that you can avoid many unpleasant things which happens later, which is happening now. So kindly ensure it is not happening to you today, it can be tomorrow. So see that the telephones, the mobile phones are used properly. It's my anxiety because I am mainly doing this channel for the benefit of the younger generation. All my experience I want to share to them. I want to do different things. But their minds should remain healthy. Their mind should not get corrupted. So it is your duty, and kindly ensure that these negative things don't happen in their life at this stage. Thank you.